Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Sweatcoin, right? So it's very easy. I will just show you how to do it. First of all, you have to just go to the browser here. You can just go to any browser, and on the search bar, you have to search near wallet, right? And just hit the enter. Once you are into this, just click on the first link, right? And just wait for a few seconds till it get load. As you can see, as of January 8, right, this Nia wallet is going to close. So make sure you withdraw your money as soon as possible. So you can just, create a new account, or you can log in with your different account, right? So I will just do it quickly. So as you can see that I'm already into the Nia wallet, right? So it's very easy to log in into this account. It will just take a few minutes. Once you do here, just click on this upper right. So here, if you just click the drop down, you will get this code, right? So make sure you copy it. Once you copy this code, now you have to download a mobile application. Let me show you. That is called Sweat Wallet, right? Now just open this, right? You can just log in, right? Yeah, of course you have to log in. So you can see I have already logged in into my this account. So guys, the code which you have copied, right? You have to just open the, Sweat wallet account. Once you have to log in with the Sweat coin. So I've already logged in, and it will take 1 day to just approve your login, right? So once it approve your login, right, you will able to, log in into Sweat wallet, right? So when it's done, where you have to just copy the code name which I've already did and paste it over here, right? You will get this option to transfer, and you can just do it, right? And after, you can just enter how many Sweat wallet which you want to send it over the Sweat wallet, right? So after that, it will be get transfer, and you will able to withdraw money from Sweatcoin. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.